Markets, Anish here. Behind me, the euro dollar, relentless slide to the downside. We analyzed this a few days ago when it was at 114.20. That was a key support area. We've now broken below and the slide has continued 100 plus pips later. We're now in a trading zone not seen since June of last year through key support areas. Now with this bearish momentum developing on this trade, we're seeing a lot of it develop from the fundamentals. Of course, higher inflation in the US, higher retail sales data out today, stronger than expected, and a different approach from the ECB to the Fed, where there's more pressure on the Fed to hike rates, which is causing a lot of dollar demand. Instead, the ECB is taking the approach that rate hikes won't be seen next year. That's what Lagarde said a few days ago. So as a result, investors are coming into the downside on this trade, taking advantage of a potential disparity of interest between the euro and the US dollar. If we look on the daily time frame, we can see where we're heading into. Well, we're currently heading right into that consolidation area that formed from June 2020 around the 112.90 mark, which is also a key support area and Fibonacci retracement at 112.90. Currently, we're about 30 pips away from that. So that is not far off for a target to the downside. We could see support hold at that area and try to recover some of those losses that we've seen over the last few weeks following that 117 high only a couple of weeks ago. Now, if we fail to see 112.90 as a support, we could see a break below 111.70, which is a key support heading back to June 2020, and then 110.40. So we've got targets to the downside for bears to hit, which are pretty clear from zones that we saw last year. So it's a very strong indication that momentum is to the downside. So do stay safe if you are trading this. If you're looking for a reversal, you could get lucky and catch a few pips, but momentum's to the downside. So stay cautious when you're trading, look at the fundamentals and risk manage well. But all the best of luck. Hope you enjoyed the video.